What's good, YouTube family? Saka Fett Dude from me. What's good, man? Welcome to another what I eat in a day / vlog video. I haven't done one of these in a long time, so I figured that I would do one today, man. Send you guys good energy, love. Let's get started, man. I got a lot of stuff I gotta do today. Today is a busy day. Even while I'm filming right now, I'm literally rendering a video for my course. So I'm hungry. Let's get right into the first meal.
I wake up, flex, thumb down now, check, no drip this, wet. Tell them run it up, no sleep, might crash, might wreck, but first die, stretch, tell them run it up.
So family, for my first meal, I'm having yogurt bowl or something like that. I don't really know what to call it, but I have this pretty much every Grand Rising. So I have two different non-dairy plant-based yogurts, Kite Hill. This one has about 13 grams of protein, if the camera will focus. Anyway, I eat another brand called Forager. So I like these brands. This one is kind of like an acquired taste because since it has a lot of protein in it, it's a little chalky, but this one is a little bit more runny, so I mix it together. And then I'm also adding in creatine, L-glutamine, and then I'm also adding in MCT oil for brain and cognitive health, walnuts, trail mix / granola. And then I'm also gonna add in some seeds for omega-3 fatty acids, so chia seeds, flax. And I almost forgot. I can't forget the hemp seeds. These are clutch right here. I can't forget the hemp seeds. And I actually forgot to tell y'all, before I had this, I had some black seed oil this morning. I have 2 tablespoons every single Grand Rising. So, hemp seeds. And this smells good too. This is vanilla flavor. It smells pretty good, but you know, like as I said, because it has so much protein, it's kind of chalky, so that's not my personal favorite. Add some of this into there, boom. All right, add the creatine. So this is meal number 1, guys. I got yogurt with fruits, nuts, seeds, berries. I'm gonna put a date on top of there. Walnuts, cashews, chia seeds, flax seeds, hemp seeds, pumpkin seeds, all the above, all that good stuff. And then I'm having a slice of toast with some peanut butter. And this is the brand of bread I use, since I know that a lot of you guys are gonna ask me. Little Northern Bakehouse. Gluten-free. Oh, it's vegan too. But yeah, so this is the bread that I'm using, and this is meal number 1, man. I'll see you guys at meal number 2.
2 hours later.
Alright family, so today I only was able to get in 1 workout. I typically try to get in 2, but depending upon what I'm doing, sometimes I'm extremely busy. For example, today I was wrapping things up and getting things done with my self-made online business master course. So I only got in, I want to say, an hour and 15 minutes of total work today. And today's focus was more so on functional training, so agility, speed, athletic movements. And so I typically start off with a jump rope session, and then I slowly warm up and prime my body, get my hips open, you know, all the above. All that good stuff. And if you're wondering what that thing is over my chest, that's a 40-pound weight vest. So this thing has me feeling extremely sluggish and heavy and slow, but I like to wear this because when I'm walking around on the normal every single day, I feel so much lighter because my body is already, you know, stronger, since it has to accommodate for 40 pounds heavier. So I'm already about 230 pounds. 6'5", so whenever I have the vest on, it makes me like 270. So taking this thing off really makes me feel good. So that was the first portion of the workout. The second portion was 20 to 30 minute dumbbell CrossFit workout, which I will be uploading on the channel for free for you guys very soon. So if you are new here, make sure to check out my home workout playlist, where we have dozens of home workouts that train everything. I mean, from just chest, back, legs, HIIT cardio, long endurance cardio, all the above. So definitely make sure to take advantage of that and check out that playlist. But anyway, so the second workout was just a quick, simple dumbbell CrossFit workout, and this joint had me gassed. I was tired after this, man. Alright, y'all, so this is meal number 2 post-workout. I've got some baked sweet potato with pistachio nuts. I got a red cabbage and kale and regular cabbage salad with some garlic hummus. I got a piece of wild Alaskan caught salmon, and then I got some avocado. And yes, I do eat some fish once in a while. As I said before, I'm not vegan, nor do I claim to be. But if I had to describe my lifestyle, I don't like to say diet because that has like a negative connotation to it. But if I had to describe my lifestyle, I'd probably say I'm like 90% of my food comes from plants, and then like 10%, you feel me? Like if I want to have some fish, I'll have it. There are times where I go like 2, 3, even 4 months without any fish or anything like that at all. But if I want some fish, you feel me? Like I have fish. I don't do dairy, don't do eggs. That hurts my stomach. But yeah, man, this is meal number 2, and then right here I have a green juice with sea moss in it. So this has spinach, kale, celery, sea moss, and green apple in it. And I spared you guys with all of the boring footage. And then after my training session, I had to recover with my Normatec Pro boots. No, I'm not sponsored by them, but Normatec, holla at me, man. They need to sponsor me because I absolutely love these boots, man. These things honestly help me produce more fitness content, and they help me just train more and recover faster. So these are a must after every training session, and I normally just chill, eat my food, watch some TV, or just get some work done. So about an hour or so later, I got a little bit hungry again, so I got a little snack. So I have some chili roasted pistachios with a handful of dates, and this is honestly probably one of my go-to snacks. If you guys have been subscribed to me for a while, you guys always know that I just grab a handful of nuts. You feel me? I just grab a handful of nuts, and then, you know what I'm saying, I complement that with some fruits. Y'all stupid, man. Stop playing with me. Alright, family, so I'm all cleaned up. That merch is looking fresh, man. I know y'all see the merch, man. DudleyDoes.com. You feel me? But yeah, man, so I'm cleaned up right now. It's about 6:45-ish, 7. And I'm working on my course right now, my self-made online business master course. And I wanted to show you guys something real quick because a lot of you guys DM me and ask me questions about it, and so I realized that I haven't actually made a video about it. I've really just been posting in my community tab. But so in this course, it's an online business and personal brand development course, and what I'm doing is I'm showing you guys and teaching you guys all of the knowledge that I've acquired over the years to empower you to create your own online business. Okay, you can work anywhere from home. I haven't worked a job now, a 9-to-5 job, I'm proud to say, in almost 2 years, and I'm so happy doing what I love. And I'm gonna show you how I build my online health and wellness business, how I train my clients, how I make money while I sleep, how you can make money while you sleep. And I'm even offering you guys a special opportunity because you guys know I believe that abundance is all of our birthrights. And so I'm gonna allow you guys to be affiliates to my course, and I'm gonna pay you guys up to 30 to 40% commission. I'm gonna pay you guys handsomely, okay? So for anybody that you show my course, after you take my course, if you enjoy it, which I know you will, share it with somebody else. If they enroll as a student, I'm gonna pay you guys handsomely because I believe that the wealth can go around to all of us. All right, I don't like people that are selfish or stingy, and I'm just happy, man. I'm just happy. I'm excited for the course, and if you want to enroll, link is in the description box. And this is just a little sneak peek, man. So I'm showing you guys literally how you rank your videos, how you expand off of social media, grow your own online business and personal brand for free, so that when you make a video of it, you're gonna get traffic right off the bat. You don't have to guess and shoot in the dark. And so this is why this is very powerful, right? So as you scroll up, what you're gonna notice is that you have US has 12. So yeah, man, that's a little sneak peek, man. It's my self-made online business master course. Definitely enroll, you know, and become a student. You have lifetime access, and just get out of that 9-to-5 job, man. Like, don't get me wrong, there's nothing wrong with having a 9-to-5 job, but if you're somebody that wants more freedom, you want time freedom, you're tired of waking up and going to a job that you hate, and you have a passion, you have a talent, and you have the will to work hard, enroll in my course, become a student. Right now it's 50% off, and just learn how to build your online business step by step. I'm giving you free tools. I'm giving you the real tea, the method on how to actually use these social media platforms like they use you. If you're just scrolling on your phone all day, you're wasting your time. You have a gift, you have a talent that somebody needs, somebody is crying for, somebody can use. And so you could build an online business. You don't have to have no experience at all. I'm going to show you everything step by step so that you can diversify your streams of income, make money from anywhere in the world. And also, what a lot of people don't tell you, I'm going to show you how to write everything off on your taxes within your business, how to put things in your business legally legally by the book, so that, you know, everything can be a business expense, so that you can write it off and pay less taxes at the end of each year, you feel me? So yeah, man, that's what I'm doing right now, you feel me? So yeah, man, that's what I really have a desire to do, is to help as many of you as possible. You know, I always tell you guys, I would be doing you guys a huge disservice if I only give you fitness content, if I only gave you spiritual content or meditation, whatever. My brand is predicated on helping people reach full potential of mind, body, and spirit. And all those things are cohesive. Like, you can have a strong mind but have a unfit body. You can have a fit body but have a unfit bank account. And so for me, as I continue to grow and progress as a man, as a spiritual being, as an entity, I'm gonna bring as many people up with me as I possibly can. Because if it's one thing, as I keep saying, if it's one thing this year taught a lot of people, is that nothing is certain. Like, your house can be taken away from you simply because of your employer, because your employer chooses to fire you. And so, you know, the only true way to have that financial freedom is to create your own path for your family, for your bloodline, for your kids. And so what I'm doing here is just, I'm helping a lot of people. And you know, look, I'm not about to get emotional on camera, I promise, you know what I'm saying? But like, when I think about the people that I'm helping, I'm not gonna lie, look, man, I'm a man, you feel me? It does make me emotional sometimes, okay? I'm being honest, you know what I'm saying? Not too many things get me emotional, but when you guys message me, like when I Skype you, and like you bring out your family on camera with me on Skype, and like they're like thanking me. I'm like, you did all the work, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, so anyway, I'm talking too much.
So for meal 3 family, I actually had a recipe straight out of my recipe ebook, High Vibing Soul Foods. I had some honey chili barbecue. Yes, I said it, honey chili barbecue, chickpeas with some hemp seeds, chia seeds, actually a bunch of different seeds. And I had some organic wild rice with a salad on top. Lately, I haven't been eating too many grains. The only grains I do eat when I eat grains are ancient grains. So grains like wild rice or teff. I've kind of been straying away from all of the newer grains simply because my stomach doesn't agree with that. So really the only grains I eat now is like wild rice, teff, spelt, and stuff like that. And then of course, to wash it down, I had a kombucha. Yo, you know, for the longest time I used to say kombucha But kombucha is something that I've been drinking a lot recently, simply because it's great for your gut health, and you guys always hear me talking of, how important having a healthy gut is. So I probably drink like maybe 2 of these a week.
Eventually.
Alright, family, so for the last meal of the day, I'm not even sure if I can call this a meal, but I'm snacking on some sea moss gummy bears. Yes, I said it. Sea moss gummy bears from my sponsor, Sea Moss Island. So this is basically the last thing I'm gonna have tonight. It's some sea moss gummies. So this is what I ate today. I know a lot of you guys haven't asked me to do a what I eat in a day video again, since I haven't done one in a while. And so yeah, as I always say, I eat something different every day. I don't eat the same stuff all the time, and I really just eat what I feel like eating. Obviously that doesn't mean that I'm out here having donuts and all that stuff, but I just live an intuitive lifestyle. And I don't even like to use the word diet because of the connotation of diet inside of it. And you guys know how big I am on words and stuff like that. That's why I kind of don't even like speaking English. But peace and love, family. Peace, love, and ascension. This is what I ate today. Today I think I had 3 meals. So I know a lot of you look to these videos to kind of gauge how you should eat. I always tell you to do what works best for your body. Some days I eat 2 meals, some days I eat 4. Some days I don't eat, some days I fast. There's times where I've just felt in my spirit that I needed to fast for like 48 hours or even 72 hours. And I fasted for like 3-4 days. And so it's all about living an intuitive lifestyle and letting your spirit guide you to, what you feel is right to nourish your body. Alright, so peace, love, and ascension, family. I'll see you guys in the next one, man. I love y'all.